everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that's essential for all the young individuals out there. Yes, you guessed it right. We are going to dive into the fascinating world of the menstrual cycle. So let's get started. The menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs in females of reproductive age. It typically lasts around 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. The primary purpose of this cycle is to prepare the body for pregnancy. The menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases. The first phase is menstruation. It lasts for about 3 to 7 days and involves the shedding of the uterine lining, which exits the body through the vagina as menstrual blood. This happens because pregnancy did not occur in the previous cycle. Moving on to phase 2, known as the follicular phase. This phase occurs simultaneously with menstruation. The pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, which stimulates the ovaries to develop follicles. Each follicle contains an egg, but usually, only one becomes dominant while the others degenerate. The dominant follicle releases estrogen, which prepares the uterine lining for pregnancy. The third phase is ovulation, the most crucial part of the menstrual cycle. It usually occurs around the 14th day in a 28-day cycle. The surge in luteinizing hormone LH triggers the release of the matured egg from the dominant follicle into the fallopian tube. This is the prime time for fertilization. After ovulation comes the luteal phase. The ruptured follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which releases progesterone. Progesterone helps maintain the uterine lining and prepares it for the potential implantation of a fertilized egg. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the corpus luteum disintegrates, leading to a decrease in hormone levels. Throughout the menstrual cycle, hormones like estrogen and progesterone play a crucial role in orchestrating these phases. They work in harmony, influencing the ovaries and the uterine lining to ensure everything is ready for pregnancy. And there you have it, a brief overview of the menstrual cycle and its phases. Understanding this process is not only essential for your biology class but also empowers you with knowledge about your body and health. If you have any questions or want us to cover more topics like this, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, stay curious and take care.